Hi, my name is AJ Gerard from StrobeAdvice. Today, I will take a look at our website to showcase you the features it offers and walk you through how to use it. From anywhere on our site, you can check out different areas simply by using the taskbar at the top of the page. The first area I will take a look at is our home page. This page welcomes you to StrobeAdvice and presents important announcements and events, some with a link to more information. Next up is our quiz section. This section was created in February 2021 to provide a fun and interactive quiz for viewers to participate in. 2 new quizzes are uploaded each month. All viewers with or without a Google account can access the quiz, and all participants are kept anonymous both publicly and in admin. On to Featured This Month. This section showcases a featured product for the current month. Each product must have been tested and passed StrobeAdvice's reviewing criteria to feature, with the exception of the Nava Pulse, which, to date, hasn't been tested by StrobeAdvice. A product may feature for months at a time, so don't always expect a new product every month. Moving forward to our key section, Reviews. This is where written reviews of all products tested are published. Our reviews are honest, in-depth, and comprehensive. All written reviews are based on our RP1 platform, then structured around each product to make the most sense. RP1 or Review Platform 1 is our first and current reviewing platform and will underpin all future reviews until a new generation platform is created. To view one of our reviews, simply follow one of the drop-down arrows to find the review you wish for. Please note, written reviews aren't always published the same day as the video review. It can take in excess of 1 month for a written review to be published. To Gallery. The gallery was created as a section to post photos that feature in a product review and ones that are excess to requirements when we create our video reviews. The gallery is updated every time fresh content is published. Moving on to news. This is where you can read about the latest in the warning light industry. New products to enter the market, old products to go under the chopping block, new technology, StrobeAdvice-based articles and more can all be found in our news section. It can take some time to find an article worth publishing, so don't always expect to find heaps of articles rolling in every week. To view one of our news articles, follow the drop-down arrows. Comparisons. The comparisons area is the same as our review section, except that each review is conducted with more than one product. Currently, 2 written comparison reviews are published. Both comparisons have been uploaded to our YouTube channel. Next up, advice. The advice section is your go-to for advice. Various topics are available, from bulb replacements to buying guides and everything in between. On to archives. Archives is where we save deleted posts for future reference. Currently, the only posts archived are previous Featured This Month articles. Lastly, contact us. If you need advice or have any inquiries, you can contact us via our Contact Us page. You can also now access our privacy policy, About Us, and future terms and conditions via the drop-down arrows from our Contact Us page. Thanks for watching this video. It would really be appreciated if you could like, comment, and subscribe, and help make StrobeAdvice pass 1,000 YouTube views by 17 August 2021, and we will see you in our next video in the not too distant future.